where we'll explore the powerful export capabilities of Create. Your patterns travel everywhere, in every format you need. Export to parametric DXF AAMA and ASTM, DXF Autodesk, and PDF to communicate seamlessly with every graphics program. Send HPGL straight to your plotter for printing. And there's more. With the mini nesting feature, Create gives you an instant cost estimate. It automatically develops your pattern into pieces, then builds a mini nesting based on the average size, so you get a fast, reliable calculation of your fabric consumption before you commit. One pattern, every destination, complete control over your costs. That's the freedom to work with any partner, any machine, anywhere. Want to see these export options in action? Write to us to book a full demo of the software.